Question number 2, bit B. We have to draw the orthographic projections of the given object. This is the front view direction given to us, and we have to draw the front view, top view and side view using third angle projection method. So as you can see, for this object you will have right hand side view, and as per the third angle projection method, right hand side view will be on the right side of the front view itself. Also, the front view will be below and the top view will be above. So here the total length of the question is 130, total width is 50, and if you look at the height, it's not directly given but you can calculate. From this end till center it's 35, but this is not the base, there is something below here, and from this base till the top surface it's 25. This margin is of 15 mm, so this is 10 mm here. So 35 plus 10 below, that makes 45. 45 plus outer radius 30. That means 75 is the total height. Now I have drawn these lines. Here make sure you have 130 mm at least, then you have to take here 75 mm, so there should be sufficient space here. For the top view you'll be having a width of 50 mm required, and the length will be carried as it is. Here you will be having the side view. From this the height will be carried as it is and the width will be taken here. Let's start the solution. So you have 75 mm as total, so let's take this 130 first. So it's 130. From here you have to take 75. So let's take 75 here. And after that you will be having a 10 mm, then at 30 mm from the top you will be having a center line. So this is the base. Let's draw it faint first. This line will be dark and visible. Below that you will be having a 10 mm portion which will be visible from front as well. So this is the outermost line. Then you will be having 15 mm here, so 15 mm again, there is a rib. So you can take either 25 from here or 15 from here, it's one and the same. Let's draw the outer semicircle here. So this is the radius 30 mm. Same I'm using here to locate the center. This is dark till the bottom here. Here it is dark up to this point, and this line is not given to us in the question. Then you have to take a rib from this corner tangent to this. Let's draw this vertical center line. Continuing this. The inner circle has a diameter of 30 mm, radius will be 15 mm. This is already 15. The slot. The slot will not be seen in front view. Let us keep it. We'll complete the top view first, then we'll move to the slot. So let's take the projectors up. Here the width is 50 mm. So this line will be there, completely dark. This will also be visible outline. even this one will be visible. This will not be completely visible, but this one will be. The rib is of 12 mm, so you'll have 12 mm here. The rib will be continued up to this point where it meets the tangent. So it should be dark up to this point. This is the remaining portion which will be dark here. The center line, so it indicates it's a circular portion. Taking the inner slot, now the slot here, the center line is 19 mm from the front end. (15 mm) is the total width, and from this end it's 10 mm where it closes. So here total width is 50 mm, so here you have to take 50 mm. So this where it ends. You have to take 7.5 on each side. So let's take it by compass. Locating the inner center for semicircle. Similarly on this side. Now you can use this as center, drawing the semicircle. This completes the slot. One thing is remaining in this, there is a dash line. Okay, let's take this slot down here. So this is the center line here. Similarly on this side. So we have completed this slot. So front view and top view are done. You have to draw the side view now. (45° angle). You have to take it down. It becomes 50. Let's take height from this side. Projectors like this. You can see here there is leg of 10 mm. It gets vertical here. Then this is dark up to this point. Then it gets vertical here. And it is closed. Of course, this is also dark for the semicircular portion. This is the center line. The inner hole. You have to take the rib. So rib is already taken here, taking the projectors. Rib starts from here and ends at this point. Now the slot here. Let's take the center line. The width 7.5 on each side. This completes the side view. The thing which is remaining here is this corner. This vertical edge will not be visible in top view. Let's take the projector from here. It will be easier to understand. That's why I didn't draw it earlier. This completes the all three views. This completes the solution. Let's give the dimensions. This completes the solution.